One day, a very cute cat was walking down the street. Suddenly, she spotted a candy shop and went inside. The cat fell in love with the candies and wanted to buy some, but she didn't have any money. An idea struck her, and she picked up a candy and ran away. She had stolen a candy. A police officer saw her and started chasing her. The cat ran as fast as she could, candy in hand, with the police officer hot on her heels. Finally, the officer caught up to the cat and arrested her. He took her to court. Where the judge delivered the verdict. The lawyer suggested, send the cat to the candy planet on a rocket. So, the cat blasted off into space and landed on a planet filled with candies. Overjoyed, the cat explored the sugary wonderland, surrounded by sweets as far as the eye could see.